see here, all to get his drone that had been stuck days earlier. Take a look at these pictures from the fire department. They captured that rescue today. Daniel said he got his drone stuck up in the tree about 2 weeks ago. Since then, he's been trying to get it down, but nothing has worked. So this morning, he looked up on YouTube how to climb, borrowed some ropes and gear from a friend, and then set out to rescue his drone. He said he made it up just fine. He was able to knock down the drone, but then realized he just was not going to make it back down.
My circulation's being cut off to my legs because I'm sitting in a harness which is only attached to your legs and your back. And there was certain blood veins in my back that were like, my hands were going numb, and I just had to hang on, and I was literally getting so tired. I was just shaking out there. It's good to know that they're out there to help people.
And he is very thankful for those firefighters. They say that had he fallen from that 60 feet, he most certainly would have died from his injuries. He says he has no plans to climb these trees anytime soon. Live in Manchester, I'm Charisse LeClaire, WMUR News 9.
A technology quirk sends rescuers scrambling to an